So, you remember that video I did about decrying the inefficiency of the Philippines sometimes? Been in this line for about half an hour so far. Hasn't moved. I don't know if I'm gonna make the boat. Going to Dipolog, I think. Hey, good morning everybody. It is Sunday, I don't know the date, sometime in December. And I got kind of bored in Dumaguete, so I'm heading off to Dipolog for a night. Hopefully to capture some good sunsets and have some good mango shakes. As you can see, Dumaguete is disappearing over my right shoulder, or rather over my shiny head as it may be, because the light's shining right in my eyes. I might have to redo this. So come along, check it out. It's not going to be that exciting, but hey, what the hell. I got a vlog channel, so I guess I got a vlog. Bye, Dumaguete! City of gentle people, my ass. It looks like an imminent collision course. And Apo Island. Apo means grandson in Tagalog. And that's where all the turtles are. Been there quite a few times scuba diving. Zamboanguita over there. And Los Cuernos de Negros. Obscured by clouds, of course. I gotta go back to Apo soon. Yeah, there's lots of crap in the water too. No dolphins yet. Alright, so it's only about a 3-hour ride over to the Piton, and then you gotta take a trike over to the Dipolog, and when you get off, this is what it looks like. Construction material, big squatter area up there. Yeah, it looks like they're cooking something over there. It must be breakfast. Yeah. We'll head off. And if you have money, you get picked up in one of these, a Hilux. That's a Mitsubishi. Alright, the adventure continues. And of course, the barely constrained chaos of what is the tricycle pickup area. Which is always an adventure. Hey. Chaos, absolute chaos. See, they just don't stop. They follow you. Ah, it's like Dawn of the Dead. Yeah, the aggressive trike drivers are really a pain in the ass when you come out and deport into Piton. I mean, they're trying to make money, raise, support the family and all that stuff, but man, they get really aggressive. I should have kept the camera going because they became super aggressive, and I finally had to start punching people in the face. No, that didn't happen. But I am going to take a hobble. If you take a trike, they'll try to get you for like 200 pesos, 250 pesos, somewhere thereabouts. I'm gonna take a hobble, guy in a Yamaha Mio. Hopefully he's not drunk for 100 pesos. Wish me luck. Dili mangita gawe. Gentleman here will be my driver. He's taking me to Piton for only 100 pesos. Oh, it's a Honda Beat. All right, we'll be all right. And right near Happy Tell in Antonio's Pension House is Kelly's Spice Island Cuisine. It's got a really cool name. I really like the name, but I would not recommend it. I would not recommend it for getting your culinary requirements. Mayang buntag. Good morning. Naa C2? Naa C2?
C2, naa sir.
Kamay? Kaya usa ka?
Usa lang.
Usa lang. Gotta give me some C2. Stay fueled. Stay hungry. Alright, so right now I'm sitting across from Antonio's pension house, and I've stayed at Antonio's pension house every other time I've come down to Dipolog. I like Antonio's pension house because it's so close to the boulevard for the sunset photos, but it's right next to this club right over here, which I don't know if you can see or not, which sometimes plays really loud music at night until about 1 o'clock in the morning. So today I'm doing Happy Tell. I probably should have stayed at Antonio's pension house, but I got the opportunity to show off another place that you can stay here in Dipolog City. It's called Happy Tell. And it's basically an econo-teller. When you see the size of the room that I'm going to have this morning, you'll know what I'm talking about. Also, this episode of My Philippine Dreams is brought to you once again by C2. I absolutely love C2. It's got a lot of sugar in it, but that appley tea flavor is just pure heaven. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go check out my room at Happy Tell here at Dipolog. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go check out. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.